Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to share with you some things my wife bought me for Christmas, and I just wanted to say to you guys, Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and yeah, she bought me this flag agent box. This is a collectible, and I just received this today from her as a gift for Christmas. DVD collection. Yeah. The complete DVD Knight Rider complete series. Can't wait to watch that again. It's been a long time. Yeah. So, got this, and I was really anxious to have this. This is a collectible. It's a flag agent box, and everything in that box has been approved and licensed by Warner Brothers. Look at the box. You have the fog lights, the scanner, the hood scoop, Doctor Collection Knight Rider Flag Agent Kit, and you have the tail lights. Pretty cool. You have a paper that they can explain what's inside, maybe. Michael's communicator, watch, industries, middle sign, yeah. Kits, ignition key, Knight Industries keyring, California kit license plate, foundation welcome letters, kit operation license, flag embroidered patch, foundation visiting card, flagged pin badge, kit specs brochure, foundation sticker, Knight Rider Industries holographic stickers. That's everything that it's inside the box. Nice. Oh, that's nice. Keychain. Have the pin, Knight Industries pin. Foundation for Law and Government. Don't know if you want me to read that. My English is not that great. Dear Agent, welcome to the Foundation for Law and Government flag. At Flag, we strive to keep alive the flame of Wilton Knight's dream, to protect and to serve those in need where ordinarily law enforcement cannot. We are making this possible not only because of the technology developed by Knight Industries, but because of the extraordinary commitment of your agents. Your excellent skills and commitment to those in need have proven to be a perfect fit with the principles of our foundation. So we have decided to include you as a part of our family. In this welcome kit, you will receive your flag membership card and the key and the registration of your new patrol partner, the Knight Rider 2000 kit unit. We are confident that you will establish an excellent relationship. Without further ado, I express my most sincere congratulations on your inclusion in the Flag Agent family, and I bid you farewell with the words of our founder: one man can make a difference. Devin Miles, Flag Director, Knight Industries. And that is awesome. Very cool. And you can feel all the letters. That is awesome. Oh, the license plate. California Knight. With the stickers, just like the one I have on my replica. Wow, that's nice. Pretty awesome. Knight Industries. That's the logo. Pretty neat plate. Wow. Yeah, Michael Knight's credit card, or I don't know. Knight Industry 2000's operator's license. Michael Knight. Driver license. Oh, that's nice. Kit's key. Ignition key. That's nice. You can see the logo is like a bubble. Very nice. Oh, maybe that's where the keychain goes. Yeah. We have this. Gosh, okay, okay, you can take that out of there. Oh, the watch. Nice. Look at the replica watch of Knight Rider. You have the logo in the back. That's neat. You have the Foundation for Law and Government, Michael Knight, with the number. Wow. A nice big sticker. An emblem. Brotherly, I think. Nice. Another sticker. This is the instruction for the watch. That's the brochure. Nice. Yeah. Sensory system, the drive modes, other system, safety system, interior system, tracking system. Oh, oh, that's the top one. Oh, that's nice too. It's hard to put on camera, but that's kit. Exterior system and DO system, defensive and offensive system. That's a pretty nice thing to have. Oops, like that too. Like this. So that's pretty neat. I like it very much. The kit was about 79 bucks USD. But I'm Canadian, so with the money exchange and everything and the duty taxes, it costed about, I think, 150 bucks or 160, something like that. But it's well worth it because it's like I said, it's a collectible and the items are pretty neat. I like it very much. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys because it was a long time since I posted a video on here. Hope you like it. If you like it, leave a thumbs up. You want to subscribe. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. See you guys. Bye bye.